A train station there with parking. We're in the Fishergate car park. We're going to spend all our gift cards, so it should be a free day out. Toilet coffees. That's new. I like that, says healthy choices on it. It's all chocolate. Wasn't there like I think there's 3 different shopping centres. And then that market. It does smell nice there though. Pumpkin spice lattes, Biscoff lattes. Where do you fancy your coffee from? Or are you going straight to alcohol? Or we could do others and you could have coffee and alcohol at the same time. So we're out now. A minute. That's what's outside that garage. I've got music now as well, so you won't be able to have to block it out. Is it every Debenhams that's shut? I used to like them. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to like cover a lot of this up now. I hate it when you've got music on. So, 17 more to go. In fact, I don't know whether it's. Oh yeah, that's the same place that was inside on that balcony. You know where we have got breakfast, but they've got a restaurant bit.
Oh, my grandparents.
Greg's coffee. I'm surprised how busy it is for a Sunday. Pound bakery's heaving.
Great. You could do that.
There, flip-flops. Julie McDonald, I keep thinking it says Jane McDonald, but she's the one off that cruise thing, isn't she? Got my mascara. See what bits and bobs we can get. That's what Michael got yesterday, that bulldog kit. And Tesco's trying to charge me full whack for it. They've got loads more choice here than they have at home. I don't need any more mugs, but I like that mug. That would be quite good if they are all body washes, because Michael keeps pinching mine. There is quite a lot of stuff. Oh, this one's all empty. That's the last of it. Nice. I pinched a chip before. Right, so we've gone for, I know it's the sale, just Rara and Coke. Some at Tiki, Captain Morgan's Tiki, and a coffee refill. small plate chips and curry, which was bigger, we've been scoffing it, margarita, and a vegan roasted veg, and it was £18.48. Wow, it's working again anyway now, so I'll have to just keep my eye on it. I saw, see that says Hogarth's? I thought it says Hogwarts, like literally when I first saw it. That's where we've just been. Yeah, where else did we see a Chick-fil-A? Was it in America?
Yeah, but I think the American one is... I don't think it's the same.
It's spelt different, I think. Oh, 5-0. Yeah, letting us across. That's funny. The street signs now on there are white, but before they were all blue. I wonder why they're blue. Hey, look. Where's that go? Oh, nowhere. I thought it was an undergroundy bit. Where else have we got to spend?
What's there?
Yeah, let's have a look what's in here. Miller Arcade. Oh, Subway's not even open. That looks cool. That Mowgli's always looks nice, doesn't it? Cool. I thought that was bigger inside. Yeah, yeah, the one they've got in Cheshire Oaks. Looks cool, doesn't it? Pastimes are shut. Still quite busy. Yeah, so we're going to have to find another one of those Foot Lockers then. Go into that one. Oh, yes. Click this. And a dog section. And a dog section. 4 cops. Well, 4 cop cars. Right, so we're leaving Preston. We are heading... Oh, I like that. There's a lot of paintings on side of buildings. And heading to my mum's. So that is probably going to be it today. Just a short one.
Turn left onto Fishergate.
Left. Until the next. Excuse the mess, but this is eventually what we bought. So we went to TK and we got some body wash. Not that we need any really, to be quite honest. Some hand soap, again, not that we need any, but we do like nice smellies. And we didn't actually get any for Christmas, so it was nice to top up. And that one is hand and body wash. All of them smell absolutely gorgeous. They're all TK Maxx, all on vouchers. Finally managed to get myself a new mascara. Not that you ever see me in it, but it's important that, you know, I try and make an effort every now and again. Then we went to Macro. Never actually showed you around Macro. Missed out on that one. I mean, I'm sure it's interesting to somebody. We always love it. And you find people go out there for like a day out, go there for a meal. You know, they go and get like a pizza and all sorts. Anyway, come across some Dunkin' Donuts French vanilla ground coffee. So we'll be having that this morning, providing I can drink it. Yes, I can. Perfect. And I've got some coffee beans to top up on. Got stuff ready for the bar to add to our cocktail collection. And then Spud needed some new cloths for work. Ta-da! And that's literally what we bought. We were planning on going into Foot Locker and getting new trainers, but with being shut, we're going to have to find another one. I'm hoping the one in Liverpool hasn't closed down, and there was one in Warrington, so look out for those because they will be our next trips. I think that was it. Yeah, and again, went to Gizmos last night down in Morecambe. was meant to show you the vlogging of that on the way out with the boxes, but there was too many boxes. We had our hands too full. They do a half price deal before 5 o'clock. So we managed to get 2 pizzas, a garlic bread, portion of onion rings, portion of chips, 4 cans of your choice, and a box of salad, and it was £13. I was going to show you the contents of the boxes, but we were starving and set them out and ate it. So yeah, so that didn't happen, so we'll do that another time. Yeah, that is all from us today. I'm going to try and get out and get a bit more vlogging done later on today, as the sun actually seems to be out for a change. So keep this space open, send in any ideas that you've got for us to go for places to visit. We like everything, so we're pretty easily pleased. If you suggest somewhere, chances are we might get there. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.